Trump suffers massive loss in Virginia redistricting. And of course, Lego, Iran, they're at it again. They kicked out another video right away. So Virginia just flipped. And it's bad news for Trump. Let's see what Lego has to say all about this. What the hell?
Good evening, and welcome to the night election broadcast. Virginia held a referendum, and the results are in at last. The yes vote has been called at 50 to 49%. A constitutional amendment passes, and a political message sent. Every vote counted, every district now on record. This is the documented result of what Virginia delivered.
Virginia voted yes and the maps are being redrawn. The redistricting referendum carried through until the dawn. 6 to 5 was the breakdown before the votes came in.
10 to 1
is the projection when the new maps are written. Democrats fought fire with fire, and the yes vote won the night. Virginia changed the congressional picture with this fire.
June 2025, the Texas redistricting effort started. Trump pushed the Lone Star State, and the mid-decade process was charted. Republicans in Texas warned the plan could backfire badly. Some GOP incumbents worried it would hit their districts. Sadly, California Governor Gavin Newsom watched and made his move. Proposition 50 passed and set the redistricting groove. Barack Obama recorded a message urging Virginia voters out. Said voting yes would push back against what redistricting was about. Early voting numbers climbed to record levels statewide. Communities across Virginia showing up with organized pride. Scott Presler traveled to Roanoke, pushing hard for no visit at Mount Pleasant Elementary, telling every voter where to go. Midas Touch Network projected the yes vote, pulling ahead Zachary Denini from Vote Hub said 4-point margin red, accounting for provisional ballots and late arriving mail. The final margin was expected to increase without fail. Virginia districts 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 all shifted. Each win +7, +5, +9, +3 when lifted. Virginia voted yes and the maps are being redrawn. The redistricting referendum carried through until the dawn. 6 to 5 was the breakdown before the votes came in. 10 to 1 is the projection when the new maps are written. Democrats fought fire with fire, and the yes vote won the night. Virginia changed the congressional picture with this fire. Fox News called the race at 50% to 49. The AP confirmed the result running right down the line. John Frederick's show broadcast the reaction from the right. 32 viewers watching as they processed through the night said maybe the Supreme Court would reverse the referendum call. Legal analysts said that was an extraordinary long haul. Speaker Don Scott had predicted this result back in December. Said 10 to 1 was possible, something everyone should remember. Senator Louis Lucas called it leveling the playing field. Said Republicans gerrymandered maps and Democrats would not yield. North Carolina, Missouri, Ohio, all drew Democratic concern. Virginia Democrats said it was finally their turn. Adam Carson projected Democrats gaining 8 to 10 seats total. Republicans projected gaining 4 to 8, making the math pivotal. Florida redistricting discussion entered the national conversation. Democrats overperforming Harris 10 to 25 points across the nation. Special elections showing massive swings in district after district. The broader midterm picture getting harder to restrict. Ron Filikowski wrote Virginia redistricting passes, adding 4 seats clear. The result that Trump campaign against delivered through the year. Trump appeared on podcasts warning about impeachment risks. Democrats said the referendum result was simply on the list. Iran continued its separate international diplomatic track, while Virginia drew new maps and Democrats prepared to act. Virginia voted yes and the maps are being redrawn. The redistricting referendum carried through until the dawn. 6 to 5 was the breakdown before the votes came in. 10 to 1 is
the projection when the new maps are written. Democrats fought fire with fire, and the yes vote won the night. Virginia changed the congressional picture with this fight.
That is the verified record of the Virginia referendum night, April 21st, 2026. The yes vote won the fight. Every district, every margin, every projection on the record, every name, every statement, every result fully covered. This has been your election night broadcast. Signing off today. Verify our results through official Virginia electoral records today.
All right. The Virginia map change is a disaster for Trump. They started this in Texas. They started this, not anybody else. They started it. And not only did they start it in Texas, but they did not give them a choice in Texas. It was their legislature that changed it. They didn't put it up for a vote. Gavin Newsom in California put it up for a vote. Let the people decide. In Virginia, they put it up for a vote. Let the people decide. Hey, you want to make this fair now? Texas, all these other people that are complaining, let's go back to Texas. Let's have a special election. Let's let Texans decide. Not the legislature, Texans. Let them decide what they want. And until then, all these other pundits and all these other people complaining and bitching about it, shut up. Just shut up. Well, that's it for this one. There's a lot more of these on the way because I'll be damned. They just keep putting them out as fast as possible. So watch out for the next one. It's coming.